So if you remember last year, I made this video called how to customize your phone without a launcher, and this video is a part 2 for that. So unlike last video, today we'll be featuring some applications and link to all the applications will be in the description down below. So you don't have to ask for that in the comments. So let us start off with the wallpaper. Just as MKBHD says, change your wallpaper, change your life. So I mostly like 2D pastel wallpapers because that separates the content on the home screen from the background and keeps it clean. So the current wallpaper that I'm using is from this application called Stocky. Stocky, as the name suggests, provides you with stock wallpapers from every single smartphone brand. Literally every single smartphone brand. You can choose wallpaper on the basis of the brand names or create your own gradient wallpaper. So in my setup, I have gone with the OnePlus Nord wallpaper. I just thought it is very minimal and would suit my setup perfectly. But anyway, your wallpaper is your choice. If you need another application with more collections, you can go with backdrops. So I've been using backdrops as my primary wallpaper application until I got introduced to Stocky by the YouTuber called Sam Beckman. So the next one is the widgets. So the first widget is from Nebbia Pro KWGT. Nebbia is a cool widget collection for KWGT. A lot of it are inspired from iOS and I like the minimal way all the widgets look. The next widget is from the popular widget application called Overdrop. Overdrop is my most favorite weather application, not only because it gives the detailed weather forecast but also it gives a wide variety of widgets. You can always pay for the Pro version, you get even more options. So I would probably go with the clean looking one. One fact that I did not like about this application is that you cannot edit the widgets, you can only set the way it is. So yeah, as a guy who is more into KWGT customizations, this was a minus fact for me, but if you are not aware of that, it's a good choice. The next one is the Google search bar. So to customize this one, go to the Google app, click more and go to the customize widget. Then click this color palette icon and select the second option. Now click the water drop icon and set it around 90% opacity. By the way, if you enjoyed so far, please give this video a huge thumbs up and give a slap to that red annoying button. Next one is the most important part, the icons. So now you might be asking me, hey Nived, yo, how can you change the icons without using a launcher? Well, my answer for that is this application called Shortcut Maker. So this application called Shortcut Maker has already been featured in one of my application videos. So at first press on the home screen and go to widgets, scroll down, search for Shortcut Maker, then drag it onto the home screen, place it on the place you want. Then click apps, then click the app that you want to set as the shortcut. Now go to label and disable it so that it looks minimal and go to the icon, click this icon and click the tick mark. Now create shortcut and that's it, you have the shortcut. So the icon pack that I'm using is called the Ash icon pack. The creator of this application has created over 40 icon packs with different colors and different shapes. So setting up the icon was one of the most time consuming tasks in this setup, but as the old saying goes, no pain, no gain. Lastly, if you want to add some more efficiency to your usage, enable some simple options like the gesture navigation bar, fingerprint unlock. Well, that is pretty much it. Comment down below if you like this video and let me know whether should I continue this series. With that said, my name is Nived and until next video, bye bye.